If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Valorant, adjusting some settings may help improve your connection stability. Follow these steps to increase your server timeout. Step 1. Open the game settings. Launch Valorant and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the General tab where you can find various game settings. Step 2. Adjust network settings. In the General tab, locate the network settings. Here, you may find options related to your connection type and server region. Ensure you are connected to the optimal server region for your location. Step 3. Change the timeout settings. If available, look for options that allow you to adjust timeout settings. This may include increasing the timeout duration or enabling options that prevent disconnection during high latency. Step 4. Optimize your internet connection. Check your internet connection for stability. Use a wired connection if possible, and close any background applications that may be using bandwidth. This can help reduce the likelihood of timeouts. Step 5. Restart the game and router. After making changes, restart Valorant to apply the new settings. Additionally, consider restarting your router to refresh your internet connection, which can further help in reducing server timeout issues. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your gaming experience in Valorant and reduce the chances of server timeouts. Enjoy your game.